In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WPForms in WordPress. By the end, you'll have the WPForms plugin installed and activated, so you're ready to start building forms on your site. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access, since only admins can add plugins. From your WordPress dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and go to Plugins, then click Add New. This opens the Add Plugins screen, which lets you browse and install plugins directly from the official WordPress plugin directory. It's the safest and easiest way to add new features to your site without downloading files manually. In the top right corner of this screen, you'll see a search box. Click into that search box and type WPForms. WordPress will filter the results as you type. You're looking for the plugin named WPForms, Easy Form Builder for WordPress. It's the popular, beginner-friendly form builder used on many sites. To make sure you've got the right one, check that it has a high number of active installs and good ratings, and that the author is listed as WPForms. This helps you avoid installing the wrong plugin with a similar name. Once you've found WPForms, Easy Form Builder for WordPress, click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install the plugin automatically. You'll see the button change to show the progress, and when it finishes, the button will switch to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. This is the step that turns the plugin on, so it's actually available in your site. After activation, you may be taken to a welcome or setup screen from WPForms, which is normal. You can review it later. The important part is that the plugin is now installed and active. A quick tip: if you don't see the Install Now button, you might not have the right permissions, or your site could be managed by a host that restricts plugin installs. Also, if the search doesn't bring up WPForms, double-check your spelling, make sure you're on the Add Plugins page, and confirm that your WordPress is connected to the internet. That's it. You went to Plugins and chose Add New, searched for WPForms, selected WPForms, Easy Form Builder for WordPress. From the results, clicked Install Now, and then Activate. With WPForms installed and active, you're set up to create contact forms, feedback forms, and more whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and great job getting WPForms installed on your WordPress site.